Set off from the Anatolian plateau by high mountains, Turkey's rugged, rocky Black Sea coast is densely wooded and lush from frequent rains. These are the dramatic shores of legend, where Jason led his Argonauts in search of the Golden Fleece and ended up marrying Medea, the king's daughter. Though often overcast, the weather is generally mild. Fat dairy cattle munch brilliantly green grass, corn grows in abundance, and the excellent tobacco of Bafra, Samsun, and Trabzon has made Turkey famous. The coast's hazelnut orchards produce half the world's supply of filberts. Cherries were discovered near Giresun in Roman times and spread throughout the world. In the mountains near Karabük lies Safranbolu, an Ottoman town so well preserved that UNESCO declared it a World Heritage Site. Local people pursue traditional crafts and still gather saffron, the bright yellow herb which gives the town its name. Of the town's 2,000 well-preserved traditional Turkish houses from the 18th, 19th, and early 20th centuries, 800 of them are legally protected against change. Amasya, south of Samsun, was the birthplace of Strabo, the father of geography, who lived here in the 1st century BC. Straddling the Yeşilırmak River between sheer rock cliffs, it was an important Ottoman provincial capital and a training ground for imperial princes. Dramatic tombs for the kings of Pontus, 3rd century BC, were chiseled into the cliffs above the town. Notable buildings remain from Byzantine, Seljuk, Mongol, and Ottoman times, as do many traditional Turkish houses. Formerly known as Trebizond, the modern city of Trabzon is the chief city and port on the eastern coast. Among its many Roman and Byzantine monuments is Hagia Sophia, a fine 13th century Byzantine church with beautiful mosaics and frescoes. The 19th century Atatürk Pavilion is a traditional Black Sea mansion once used by Turkey's founding president. South of Trabzon, in the mountains, is Altındere National Park, providing a magnificent setting for the 14th century Sümela Monastery, which clings to a rocky ledge 300 meters above a deep gorge. The elaborate complex contains churches, chapels, dormitories, refectories, and storerooms. Southeast of Trabzon, Üzüngül, a lovely alpine lake surrounded by mountains and meadows, is excellent for camping, trekking, and fishing. Rize, east of Trabzon, is the center of the tea plantation region responsible for supplying Turkey's beloved national hot drink. East of Rize, high in the mountains at 1,355 meters, the spa village of Ayder is surrounded by spectacular alpine scenery. Its thermal waters are believed to have healing powers. Perched high on a promontory above the Çoruh River near the Georgian frontier, the provincial capital of Artvin enjoys a dramatic setting and a vibrant traditional culture. The Kaçkar Mountains around it are excellent for hiking, and fast-flowing streams like the Çoruh are favorites with whitewater rafting enthusiasts.